What is BurgerCities? Burger. TLDR. BurgerCities is a one-stop MetaFi platform featuring a wide range of features, including its native token Burger, a decentralized exchange DEX, and non-fungible tokens NFTs. Within the BurgerCities ecosystem, users can participate in daily activities, such as socializing and playing games, while exploring DeFi and NFT features. The token Burger can be used in liquidity provision, single token mining, and in-game trading. Users can get Burger by playing games in BurgerCities or purchasing it on cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance. Introduction. The metaverse has made its mark within the crypto industry, having grown the cryptocurrency market significantly. Now, in 2022, it has become far more accessible, with more people believing it might be the future. In light of this growth, numerous projects have considered ways to tap into the infrastructures needed to power virtual economies that function parallel to the real world. That's where MetaFi comes in, which ultimately leads to BurgerCities' consistent presence within the crypto world. What is BurgerCities? While it sounds like a new burger chain, BurgerCities is a lot more interesting than that. Evolved from BurgerSwap, a DeFi product that first came to existence on BNB chain, it blends DeFi and NFT as part of its goal to create a uniform and standardized Web3 metaverse. In the BurgerCities world, users can participate in daily activities, such as socializing and playing games, in order to enjoy various DeFi and NFT features with their own online avatars. With this new ecosystem, BurgerCities is set to further drive dynamic metaverse development, bringing new vitality to Web3. The BurgerCities Ecosystem. The BurgerCities ecosystem is made up of various features such as the Burger token. BurgerCities is powered by its native token, Burger. It has a total supply of 63 million tokens, which can be used in liquidity provision, single token mining, and trading in-game items like hero NFTs. The aggregator, Black Market. BurgerCities integrates an aggregation protocol that sources liquidity from various DEXs and CEXs, and is able to reroute users' trades to ensure they're getting the best price. The Pool Energy Plant. Users can earn benefits by providing liquidity in the energy plant. They can withdraw their rewards at any time. The Bank, Central Bank. The Central Bank is BurgerCities' single-coin dual mining revenue aggregator, which can maximize users' single-coin mining returns. Meanwhile, BurgerCities distributes the mining proceeds to users in the form of USDT. The Hero Dining Room. Heroes are unique NFT assets with a variety of uses, one of which is BurgerCities' core gameplay. Users can level them up and use them to earn Burger by completing in-game tasks. Heroes can also be sold in the dining room to earn rewards. The Land and Building. The Land and Building is part of BurgerCities' gameplay, allowing users to construct and maintain their own towns. Users can take a break in buildings after completing tasks, or rent them to other users or projects. How does it work? To understand how BurgerCities functions, here are some of the key terms and protocols within BurgerCities you should know to help get you started. Swapper. Users who aim for the best price when swapping tokens can go to the black market in BurgerCities. The black market has aggregation protocols in place that source liquidity from various other exchanges, ensuring the best price across numerous DEXs. Liquidity provider. Liquidity provision in BurgerCities can be extremely profitable for investors. BurgerCities incentivizes liquidity providers using token rewards. Staker. BurgerCities allows its users to earn yield by staking tokens in the central bank, which matches all staking assets with high-yield pools. In doing so, the rewards of single token stacking are maximized, meaning that the more assets users have in the vault, the more rewards they will receive. Gamer. BurgerCities merges gameplay and earning, essentially allowing users to not only earn rewards through gameplay but also enjoying various gaming options, from quests to land management. Central NFT. Heroes. Heroes is one of BurgerCities' unique NFT assets and a central part its gameplay. While gamers do not need heroes to swap, stake, or provide liquidity in BurgerCities, they can use these assets to participate in quests, fight in PvP battles, and engage in professions. Business simulation. Gamers are given a metaverse scenario where they can build their businesses through in-game decision-making. In comparison to traditional economic simulation games, BurgerCities allows gamers to rent, upgrade, and trade NFT assets, all while providing them with the opportunity to receive rewards outside the game. Tactical combat. As outwitting opponents on a tactical level is a key component of battle outcomes, gamers must outsmart opponents by summoning strong heroes and using combat tactics. PvP and PvE. There are a variety of PvP and PvE gameplay options available in a battle when the BurgerCities PvP and PvE games begin. Land management. In addition to selling digital assets like NFTs, gamers can also earn money from owning and selling land within BurgerCities for various reasons. One such reason is advertising, as projects may be interested in placing advertisements on the properties on such land. What is the Burger Token? The most important aspect of BurgerCities is its native token, Burger, which is native to the BNB chain. There is a total of 63 million Burger tokens. As a BEP20 token standard, Burger is incredibly useful in the BurgerSwap ecosystem, as it gives its holders voting rights on updates and proposals to the protocol. It can also be used for liquidity rewards, single token mining, and in-game trading. Additionally, it is used to reward users for completing in-game activities. At the same time, the total Burger supply is distributed across different utilities, with 50% allocated to incentives, 10% to the project's team, 10% to strategic financing, 10% to project operation and liquidity management, and 20% to ecology development and future growth. How to buy Burger on Binance? The biggest question on your mind right now is probably how you can purchase Burger and become a part of BurgerCities. You can purchase Burger right here on Binance in two ways. You can use credit/debit cards with selected fiat currencies. First, head to Binance's Buy Crypto with Debit credit card page, then select the currency of your choice and choose Burger in the bottom field. Finally, click Continue to confirm your purchase. You can also trade other cryptocurrencies, such as USDT, BUSD, BNB, and ETH, for Burger. First, head to the trading view on Binance, then type Burger in the trading pair search field that displays all available trading pairs. For more information on the trading view, read our How to Use Trading View on the Binance website guide. What's next for BurgerCities? The future of the metaverse and by extension, BurgerCities, undoubtedly looks bright. A new version of BurgerCities will soon be released, providing users with new gameplay functions. Additionally, the metaverse's land and house landscape will be completely refined. Closing thoughts. As MetaFi continues to grow, BurgerCities will focus an innovative lens on MetaFi with its combination of earning and gaming. With BurgerCities, players will be able to game while accessing the crypto world in a new and exciting way.